In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build list in Aweber. We are going to create a new email list inside your Aweber account. A list is where your subscribers and sign-up forms are organized, so taking a moment to name it clearly now will make everything easier later, especially if you plan to run more than one campaign. First, go to the area where you manage your lists. In the top navigation, find the current list name you are viewing. Then click that list name to open the list management options. This is the menu Aweber uses to switch between lists and create new ones. Next, click Create a List. This will start the list setup process. Aweber will walk you through a few screens where you enter the basic details for your business and for the list itself. On the first setup screen, enter your company name and your website. Use the name you want subscribers to recognize and enter the website you want associated with your email sending. These details can appear in list settings and can help keep your account information consistent. Once those fields are filled in, click Next. Now you will be asked for a list name and a description. In the list name box, type the name you prefer for this list. Choose something specific and easy to understand, especially if you might create additional lists later. For example, you might include the purpose of the list, like a newsletter audience or a lead magnet list. Then in the list description box, type a short summary of what this list is for and what kind of emails subscribers can expect to receive. Keep it clear and accurate because this description helps you stay organized, and it can also support compliance and trust if you reference it in your messaging. After you have entered both the list name and the list description, click Next to continue. When you reach the final part of the setup, click Create List. After you select it, give Aweber a moment to process everything. It may take a little time to load the next page, so wait for the confirmation and let the screen finish updating before clicking anything else. Once it loads, your new list is created and ready for you to start adding subscribers and building emails. And that is all there is to it.